Welcome. In front of me I have GoPro HERO 9 and I'm going to show you how we can change the screen timeout settings for the rear and the front camera. So at the first we have to open the notification bar, scroll and enter the preferences. Right now we have to move for the display, and right now we have to enter, for example, for the rear camera. So we can change the time for the never. We don't want to make our screen to time out automatically, so let's go for the never. And the same we can do this for the front screen, but also we can leave it we can leave it with the rear screen, so it will be going to match when we enter for the rear. For example, for the 5 minutes it will going to change automatically also for the front. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.